Venmo cannot send money. So to fix this issue, go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Venmo app and check for the updates. If there is an update button available right here instead of open, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is refresh the connection. Swipe down the control center, turn your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and back on, or turn off your VPN. Now the next thing what you can do is, if you are on Android device, go to your device settings, clear the app cache, or just go to the existing Venmo app on your iOS or Android, then tap and hold on it, then tap remove app. Now tap delete app to confirm it. Once deleted, go back to your app store, find the Venmo app and then reinstall it from there. Now the next what you can do is verify account and limits. Provide your legal name, address, date of birth and SSN in the app if prompted, as unverified accounts have strict limits. Also, ensure that you have not exceeded your weekly sending limit. Then wait for anything pending or processing transactions to fully clear. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.